Looks like you've been through a lot. I've had worse. You'll be fine. Almost done. I'm okay. You'll heal soon. Thank you, doctor. Slowly. I'm okay. How's your leg? Much better, but my stomach still aches. Let me check. Just indigestion. Really? Yes, got it. Walk around a little after meals. How's your stomach now? Much better. Let me recheck your abdomen. Looks good. Thank you. You're fully recovered. I have to return to my unit. Thank you, doctor. Take care. I'll always remember these days. I'll miss you, doctor. I'll remember you too.
Some meeting.
There's nothing I won't do.
Cleansing the prescription.
I'd risk it all.